Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross back with another video. I know when I originally posted the look with this red eye, you guys were really loving it, and I realized that I only posted how I got the look only on IG, and I wanted to give you guys, for my YouTubers and my subscribers, how I got this look. So let's get into it. You guys know I have been using all the other Docolor eyeshadow palettes on my channel individually, so I wanted to make sure you guys at least saw how I use the red palette solo. You guys know how I do. I start off with my Conceal and Define Concealer from Makeup Revolution in the shade C13, and then at the bottom of the screen you guys will see what shades I'm doing. So you guys will see me put some glitter primer on it right now because I wanted to see if the shimmer shade was going to pick up, and it did a little bit oomph, but it didn't give it the full oomph that I wanted, so that's why I added the red plus glitter on top. And that's seriously how I got this Docolor Reality Palette full red look. You guys will see me back in regular content pretty soon. So yeah, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I'm your girl J Ross. Hope you guys are staying safe, happy, healthy, and blessed. See you guys in my next one. Peace.